Today, we're going for a stylish multi-panel look with a grid transition. This effect is perfect for montages or giving your edit a slick, modern feel. Let's get into it. First, place at least two clips next to each other on your timeline. Now, head over to the Transitions tab on the left-hand side. Scroll down to the Zooms and Spins section. Here you'll find a transition called Collage. This is the one we'll use to get that grid style effect. Just drag the collage transition and drop it between your two clips. You'll see a small transition icon appear at the cut. If you want to fine tune it, click on the transition and head over to the right hand panel. Use the duration slider to make the transition quicker or slower based on your edit style, and that's all there is to it. You've just added a grid style transition using the collage effect in Clipchamp. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Clipchamp editing tutorials.